Ideas refine perception of reality to complexify understanding and behavior. The mechanism behind it is separation, a split in awareness of something. A toddler experiences a vibrant sunset as a gradient of unnamed colors, accompanied by a sense of awe, absent of questions. Years pass, and the ideas that are installed during school start to separate the feelings one gets with each color painting the sky, labeling them as red, yellow, blue, purple. We forget the feeling behind the label, and the vast expanse starts to feel more like a calculation, a scientific anomaly. The utility we find in ideas lie within a means to an end, as opposed to experiencing each moment as a means in itself. In other words, the reason we use ideas is because they get us from point A to point B. By creating a reference point that orients us toward a possibility we want to pull into reality. One might wear the idea that they are weak to use as a means for momentum into strength. Another might carry the idea that they're strong to orient themselves toward a better possibility of success, taking the gold medal in a race. The question is, are they necessary for those realities to be achieved? A monkey doesn't need to believe that it's strong to make it from one branch to the other. A cardinal doesn't need to believe that its voice is beautiful to sing its unique song. They simply do what feels right and natural for their physical capabilities. What would happen if we let go of the ideas we identify with? That we're unlikable, clumsy, selfish, or unworthy. Or even that we're charismatic, graceful, generous, and worthy. All these ideas emphasize an absence of something. What would happen if we acted from a place that isn't propelled by absence or desire? What if we looked at the sunset and decided that the words red, yellow, and blue weren't necessary to feel its presence? The tender child inside of us won't know what those words read on paper, but they will know how to feel the sun's delicate touch of warmth on their cheeks, and can sense the movement of strings in their heart with every subtle shift of color in the sky. Food for thought.